Hey guys, today my sister and I are doing our hair. Obviously you can see my roots are pretty bad, and I thought I would just kind of vlog a little bit, say hello to my sister's McDonald's cup that's probably been sitting there a long time. I'm in my sister's sewing room right now, so that's where we do our hair. So I'm gonna be doing her roots and she's gonna be doing my roots. This is the before. Okay, so my bleach is ready to wash out. This is how it looks, crazy when the bleach is ready to be washed out. So I'm gonna go wash it out and show you guys how it looks after, and then the toning process and all that fun stuff. Alright, so I just washed out the bleach, and as you can see it is more on the yellow side, but that is why I use these masks right here, the No Fanola yellow mask and the No Fanola orange mask. I use both of them because, I don't know, I feel like their toning powers together are the perfect thing. You guys have probably seen on my other videos with how toning right after I do my roots, and so it's pretty much the same thing. I put everything into a tinting bowl. It's been a while since I've done my roots, guys, so I mix some of the No yellow, the No blue, orange, No blue. I always say that. The No yellow and the No orange. And I mix them together, and then I apply it directly to my roots where I have just bleached. And if you guys have seen my other videos before, you have seen how well it tones it. I like to bring it pretty far down because my roots were grown out, guys. They were grown out. So like when I'm bleaching my hair, I like to do sections like this. Oh, this is hard to do with the camera. Oh gosh, okay. So yeah, I just kind of section it off. Then I do some on this side, probably blocking the camera. And then I do it on that side. And just section it off so you get all the parts where you just bleached. And this really tones it. Like, I really see a huge difference after I do this. This is like the greatest angle, right? And I go through my whole head doing this. It's so easy, and like it's the best way to tone after. Oh my gosh. As I paint my forehead blue, it's like the easiest way to tone after you've bleached your hair. I don't use toner, if a lot of you guys have been watching my channel for a long time know, I had a really bad experience with toner, so I don't do it anymore, and this is the only method of toning that I use, and it works so amazingly well. Fanola products are amazing. They actually sent me all these things, and I didn't really have to review them, but I loved them so much I wanted to share them with you guys because honestly, they're the best toning products I've ever found. I used to use the Blonde Brilliance conditioner toner, and that's really great too, but it does not work as fast as this one and as well as this one, seriously. And you get a huge bottle. This brand is from Italy, so the amounts are interesting, but it's 350 milliliters, so you get quite a big bottle, and you really don't need a ton. I use a ton, obviously, especially right after I bleach. When I was doing this originally with like the Blonde Brilliance, I would have to do this process many times to get the results that I get doing it with this once. Like, it's really amazing, and you only have to leave it in for 5 minutes. So You don't even have to leave it in as long as the other ones. I used to leave Blonde Brilliance in for 45 minutes, and that's a long time to wait, especially after you've bleached your hair. It's been in there for like 50 minutes or whatever, and you're just like wanting to be done with your hair. But okay, so then it's lovely on that side. As you can see, I got all that side now. Then I just continue on to the next side and do the same process. But when it's all rinsed out and dry and everything, it looks really, really great. I'll probably show you guys how it all works. I'm not going to do my whole head and talk to you about it, but I'm not a salesperson for Fanola. I am a believer in them. I mean, they are amazing products. When they sent them to me, I was so happy that now I just talk about them all the time. And just seriously, look them up. Look at some of the hairdressers before and afters. I mean, when they use Fanola products, they're amazing. Anyone ever asks me about what toner to use or whatever after bleaching to get the color that I get, and I tell them Fanola. So that is about it. I'll show you guys how everything looks when it's all washed out, but right now I've got like half a hair going on one side, but yeah. So this is how my roots turned out. Pretty nice, pretty nice. They look even better in the daylight than when I looked in the mirror, which did not look as good. So yeah, this is how everything toned it, and Tasty agrees. Tasty approves of my roots, don't you, Taste? So yeah, we're going to go to our house to show some of our friends who have not seen it yet, at least in person, and it's gonna be exciting. We're gonna hang out, have some drinks, just hang out. And it's really cool because it's gonna be at our house. So it's like our first real hangout, I guess. So that's what we're gonna go do.